Dar here from SM channel. So today's video is about how to create a dispersion effect on Canva. The benefits of this video are, first, you can do this for free. Just get a free account on Canva. If you don't have any skill, you can do this. If you don't have much time, you can still do this with a minimal amount of time needed. And you can do this in an easy and fun way. Okay, so let's hop on my computer. Let's go. Start. Let's add a page, a new page, and then let's go to the photos and let's type in butterfly. And now let's look at a beautiful picture of butterfly. So let's try the one that I made earlier. This one. Okay, let's just rotate it to the right one and then put it aside first. Let's make it bigger so we can see it more clearly. Then let's go to elements and let's type splash. And then let's look for the one that is exactly from the picture that I did earlier. So that's it. And then the other one. So I won't change the color first. So I will arrange it on the left side of the wings of the butterfly. I'll duplicate these and I'll distribute these evenly. Let's rotate these elements according to what you want. Depends on your choice or depending on the imagination that you have in your mind. So let's just put it on the edge of the left wing of this butterfly. So you can rotate it to 180 degrees or 90, so it depends on you. Just like this. So it depends on your creativity or whatever you like, whatever position. And then later on we will change the color of these splashes that I am moving. So whatever the color of your background is, so that's the color that you will choose for these splash elements that I'm moving right now. So for me, I have a white background, so I will change the color like this. So every splash element that I have put here in the left wing of this the butterfly, I will change it to white because my background is white. So whatever background you choose, so that's the color that you have to change. There you go. So after that, your splashes are great. If you find it good for your eyes, then let's now change the color of the second splash element that we chose, and let us duplicate these elements and spread it throughout the background or on the left side. And then we chose the color pink because it's one of the colors of the butterfly. Like it's the part of the ripped part of the butterfly wings. And we also have another color. So it depends upon the color of your photo. You can also rotate these splash elements, and you can make it bigger or smaller. You can just play around and look for the, nice view. And then so you change the color of the other elements, so according to the color of the butterfly. So as you can see, on the edge part of the butterfly, like below, it has like this yellow orange. I think this is a yellow orange color, and then the pink. So that's why I have two colors for this part of the wing. So when you choose the color, there is some choices when you click the color icon. So you can choose from the photo colors over there. So everything is harmonized, depends on the color of your photo. So that's just how to make this dispersion effect possible in Canva. So there you go, just play around, and then after that it's cool, done.
That's all. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Consider subscribing, like, and share. Thank you.